All right, guys, here's the screencast for Thursday the 8th in English 9. Today we started class. I read the first 5 or so paragraphs of chapter 11 to you guys, where we encounter the idea of what it means to be a gentleman or a gentlewoman in the face of something difficult. I screwed up this assignment, but students were able to figure it out, and so you need to make a copy and then just you can still submit it or turn it in. But basically what I'm asking you to do is in a free write, a few sentences here, 3, 4, 5 sentences. Tell me about a time when you've had the opportunity to be a gentleman or a gentlewoman. Tell me about a time in which you were confronted. What I mean is confronted with a difficult individual or a difficult situation. How'd you respond? Were you a gentleman? Were you a gentlewoman? I'm not trying to get dirt on you. I'm not trying to think less of you. I just want you to be vulnerable and share with me a situation where you confronted a difficult spot and you had the opportunity to either take the high road and be a gentleman or gentlewoman, or take the low road and not do it. What was the situation? How'd you respond? 3, 4, 5, 6 sentences there will get you the points for today. I appreciate your time and energy on that. The rest of class we spent talking about To Kill a Mockingbird chapter 11. Pretty powerful chapter about the core of one's being and how we handle difficult situations. We see the passing of Mr. Bose and Atticus teaching his kids a lesson about what real courage is. Sorry you couldn't join us. Have a great rest of your day.